Samsung just shocked everyone. The Galaxy S25 Edge is dropping next month, and it's being called the slimmest phone in its class. But the real question is, could this be Samsung's most futuristic phone yet? From its ultra-thin design to its powerhouse specs, we've got some wild leaks, juicy rumors, and a few surprises you need to hear. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the design, because Samsung didn't just make this phone thinner. They made it drop-dead gorgeous. The S25 Edge is just 5.84 millimeters thin. That's insanely slim for a flagship. And guess what? Samsung didn't skimp on the materials. We're getting a titanium frame, just like the Ultra, and possibly a ceramic back for that ultra-premium feel. Imagine holding that in your hands. Lightweight, smooth, and ridiculously sleek. Oh, and the colors? Absolute chef's kiss. Titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below. Now, let's get into power. The S25 Edge is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the same powerhouse chip as the rest of the S25 lineup. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or scrolling through TikTok for way too long, this phone won't even break a sweat. But here's where things get interesting. The battery is 3,786 milliamp hours. Samsung might round it up to 3,900 milliamp hours for marketing. That's smaller than the regular S25. But hey, when you're this slim, sacrifices have to be made. The real question, will it last all day? With Samsung's software optimizations, it should hold up pretty well, but we'll have to test it ourselves. If you love photography, Samsung's got something for you. The S25 Edge is rumored to have a 200 megapixel primary lens, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. That means high-res shots, ultra-wide landscapes, and crispy selfies, all in one slim package. Plus, Bluetooth 5.4 is here, ensuring your wireless experience is smoother than ever. Alright, let's talk price, because that's what really matters. In Europe, the S25 Edge is rumored to launch in two variants, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 1,200 to 1,300 euros, 12GB, RAM plus 512GB storage, 1,300 to 1,400 euros. It's a bit pricier than the S25 Plus, but way more affordable than the Ultra. And with Samsung's usual trade-in deals and promos, you could snag a serious discount. The official launch is expected in mid-April, with sales starting in early May. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Edge the most futuristic Samsung phone ever? Or is the ultra-thin design not worth the battery trade-off? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you love tech leaks, reviews, and hands-on impressions, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'll catch you in the next one.